Hello everyone, I'm your local StreamCon, and today we've got a pair of headphones that broke on me a while ago. They don't sound very good, and therefore, because I brought a screwdriver with me on vacation, a literal singular screwdriver that I really hope works, we are going to be tearing down this thing, because I literally have no other videos, and my other video is currently broken because of CapCut. Seriously, screw you CapCut. Regardless, because these headphones were broken and there was a bunch of crickets annoying the crap out of me last night, I had to, well, throw the headphones under my bed, and I actually accidentally killed a spider with it. Yeah, he's dead and on here, so before I can do the teardown, I kind of gotta get his corpse off of there. I'll be back in 1 minute. So I got the bug off. Tip of the day, never forget a screwdriver at home. So, fortunately these, perfectly fit, so, wait, do they? Oh wait, no, we got one, Yeah. Oh, wow, he just comes straight off. Push down kind of hard, not gonna lie. Dude, why are you going back in? There we go. Really? You're kidding me, right? There we go. Nothing a little hard work couldn't do. Oh. I guess these back things come off too. You needed them. Is that really it? Is that all we spent that work on? You're kidding me, right? Oh yeah. I forgot. It's in here. Oh. I might end up ripping this. No harm done. See? There's the speaker. And number 2. Now, what are we looking at here? These just come off. Oh, chat. I gotta be so delicate here. I gotta be so delicate here. One wrong move and I could break this thing. You know? It's like intestines. This is what you look like. Well, if you ever wanted to see what was inside your dollar store headphones, there you go. I kid you not, I've already ripped it. I mean, like, unsurprised, really. So, what do we got here? We got your ear. Oh, it's sticky. Oh, it's magnetic. Oh, okay. We got the, whoa. We got the wire. We got the, yarn, I think. That's so weird. Why is it so tangled in here? What did I do to this thing to actually make that happen? Alright, let's take this one off now. You can do it, buddy. I believe in you. Honestly, like, these are going in the garbage the second I finish this video. Why do I actually care? I don't. Genuinely don't. Get out! Wow, even the screwdriver's losing. Yeah! That's the other ear. You got more goop. Kinda looks like a phone dialer if you think about it, actually. Alright. There you go. The inside of your headphones. That's it. Who thinks we can put it back together? I'd say I did a pretty good job, not gonna lie. Now, there were some casualties, but who honestly cares? And now it's time to talk about today's sponsor. My wallet. Firstly, I would like to graciously thank the 4 people that have subscribed to the channel. You're awesome. And YouTube is apparently telling me we've reached over 500 views, which means that over 496 of you haven't subscribed yet, unless YouTube is lying. But when has YouTube ever lied about anything related to information?
If every one of you subscribed, I'd actually be able to meet one of the monetization goals, which would be super useful to make even better videos in the future. Especially since you just saw how broke I really am. So if you enjoy the content, consider clicking the now white for some reason subscribe button. After all, it's easier than just directly paying me on my GoFundMe page. You get better content, I get to make better content. It's a win-win scenario. Thank you to Tesla for sponsoring today's video.
Wow, this is really strong latex. Dude, I could probably cut this out and use it for leggings.